Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about AI. It's called artificial intelligence. We use AI in our daily lives, and is very AI has a very benefits in our life. It's helped us to it helps us in our daily lives. AI helps us to save time and work faster. So AI has many benefits. Using AI ha, has many so many benefits. It's help you to write a prompt. It help you to create thumbnail. It help you to write a script, and even it's help you to build a project. And it is very useful for learning English, and I use AI to improve my spoken English. So you can talk with even I use to talk with AI to improve my spoken English. And you can talk with AI on a different topic. You can ask the AI where you are making the mistakes, and where your sentences is right, where you are making mistakes grammatically, or you are not pronouncing well. AIs help you a lot to improve your spoken English. Even I use AI I used to talk with AI to to practice my spoken English. And if you use AI, it's so beneficial. But when you use in the right way, so AI helps you to work faster, like writing a prompt, writing a script, or writing a thumbnail, creating thumbnail, generating image, and making videos. So there are so many benefits of AI, but also disadvantage of AI. If you didn't know how to write, if you write wrong prompt, so you get wrong result. So use AI smartly and a positive way. And if you don't know how to use AI, if you don't know how to write the prompt in a right way, and if there are so many misuse of AIs, people use it to so use AI for your works, for your like for me, I use AI to talk, to improve my spoken English on a different topic. So and it is very useful, and it's helped me to know where I'm making a mistakes. So it's helped me a lot, and it's very beneficial. And if you use in the right way, it will help you to grow, to help you to become better at communication, and it also helps to the content creator and social media, and to grow your Instagram, your Facebook. Even it's help you to grow on your to create your thumbnail. And it's artificial intelligence has no feeling. It's work like a human 24/7, but AI has no feeling. So it's work for you, but it don't know about your feeling. So you are human, you care about your feeling, so don't misuse the AI is help us to work faster and to grow faster, to become better, not misuse. So use AI in the right way. If you use AI in the right way, it's work for you very well, and it's help you to improve your skill, it's help you to improve your spoken English, it's help you to grow your Instagram page, it's help you to grow your Facebook. But if you misuse, the result is gonna make worse, because it has no feeling. So I use to practice a lot and it's very beneficial. Even sometimes I create my thumbnail using AI, and it's create a very good thumbnail, and it also helped me sometimes to find the topic that I can talk about it. You can ask there is different types of AIs like Siri, Gemini. If you want to chat, use ChatGPT, Gemini, and if you want to if you want to assistant like a Google Assistant, there is Google Assistant, Siri, and if you want to generate images, I think Pandora. I think there are so many AIs is available, and so many AIs will be building in the future. So AI works, but there is disadvantage that we don't use our thinking, like we don't think when we started to using AI. We dependent on AI, not on ourselves. So there is a disadvantage of our thinking, like we dependent on AI, that if you want to write some story, so you have an idea about your story, but you don't know how to write it, and then you use AI. You give the prompt that I am gonna write this story, and you give the topic, and AI write for you. So you are not using your brain, you are not using your thinking to write your story. So this is the disadvantage of AI. So use AI in a right direction, like even you use your own thinking, not always AI. Okay, and you can use to write a script, write a prompt, you can take a help, but also you have to use your own thinking, because whatever you write, whatever you ask, AI answers you immediately without taking much time. In a second, in a it AI don't, when you write a prompt, it's answer you immediately. But if you think your own way, you are different from AI. So you use your brain, you invest yourself on your work when you think and you write. Not every time, do not use every time AI. Yeah, you can use for for grow your Instagram page, to earning money, start small businesses, to become independent. But do not use always like sometimes you have to, like, you wanna write something, so use your brain, not to write on a ChatGPT. Ask, hey ChatGPT, I wanna write this, and give the prompt, and AI, when you give the prompt, AI write for you. But what about your own thinking? So do not always use AI. Use your brain also. AI is help you to learn a skill, learn good things, but it doesn't mean that you don't you. It doesn't mean that you always use AI, or you do not use your own brain. So use AI in a right way, so it's help you, it's become useful for you. That's all for today that I wanted to talk about. Thank you for watching this video.